Well. Things are not looking good for Ongezwe Mchunu. First, Ongezwe has just lost a lawsuit and has been ordered to pay 250k and also apologize for hate speech. Not only that, it is being said ukuthi Ongezwe Mchunu's second wife is allegedly cheating on him ne-Nigeria. Yet Ongezwe Mchunu is busy doing about match and match saying abahambe ngapha ama-Nigeria Hey, maybe that is where the hate is coming from. And the streets are saying udadewabo, aka his partner in crime, uJacinta Zuma Ngobese, akabonakali. It is alleged that she is missing or she disappeared, something like that. Anyways, let us get into it. It never rains, but it is definitely pouring for Ongezwe Mchunu. Hello guys, this is JK Dube and welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since we discussed Indaba as Chisayo. With everything that is happening around the world now, especially in the Southern African region, I haven't it has become a point where just turning on the TV to see, just turning on social media, everything is just bad news. This is happening, that is happening, so and so is beating so and so. And speaking of beating, guess who has been out on the street actually Imvu, going around hitting foreigners? Etienne is cleaning the country. Oh well, sengathi ke mkakho mhla ka-30 June sengahamba le-Nigeria. So this is Flora Mtimkulu, Ongezwe Mchunu's second wife. There is a video that is circulating on the internet showing her attending a Nigerian house party, and the rumors say she and this Nigerian guy are dating. However, before Siakachana, the Nigerian guy came out and claimed that he doesn't even know her, Angithi. And also, he likes ladies with big nyash. That is what he said. And then, me looking at the pictures, that nyash is definitely big. Anyways, yeah, he quickly came to debunk the rumors. Gombi. A lot is happening right now in Mr. Ongezwe Mchunu's life. First, he has been in and out of court. First, number one is xenophobia, then in this hate speech that he allegedly said, and also just a few months ago, his house got burnt down. It must be tough being Mr. Ongezwe Mchunu. Anyways, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below with everything that is going on right now, and also, if you are a foreigner in South Africa, are you safe? Are you there illegally or are you there legally? And are you safe? How are the living conditions? And also, what do you guys think in this situation? Ongezwe Mchunu's wife and the Nigerian guy, who also came out to claim that they are not dating. He doesn't even know the girl. Is it like a PR cover-up or something? Or nothing is definitely going on? I mean, so far we just saw videos of someone at a party. It could be you attending a party, and one moment sokuthiwa uyajola lo muntu, in fact ujola lona of Nigeria. And with the fact that knowing ukuthi how her husband feels about foreigners, hey, babathathela imisebenzi. And also, it is alleged that Usisuma Ngobese, she was banned from TikTok. Angazi what happened to her, but she has been silent lately, and people fear that she might have disappeared, or she's hiding, or the worst could have happened to her. I just hope she's safe though. But you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. I saw this other comment saying she was there, she was active on Facebook, and she claimed that she is fine, everything is going well, and well. And they also the whole situation in jail around the xenophobia in South Africa and illegal migrants and legal migrants. What do you guys think with this whole thing that is happening right now? Because I saw the South African president saying that there is no much going on the on the on the 30th. Yay. Yo, yeah, on the 30th. You know what? Never mind. Anyways, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. I'm going to see you on the next video.